Hello everyone, nice to see you once again. And my name is Samson. And on this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a new account on QuickBook. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also drop your comments and touch that bell in order to get a new video as far as I post it. And in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to add a new vendor and also create a new customer. Please don't forget to subscribe it. Here we go. Platform. So as we can see here, we have number one, Express Stats. Number two, we have you can create account based on your need, the content that you need in your company or what this kind of service you render. You can create an account on based on the file that you have before. Maybe you're using it before, then you want to create a new account based on the former file. And you can also create a new account by converting the other data from the other software. Maybe you're using Sage 50 or Peachtree into, if you want to convert it into QuickBook. You can also create your account based on that. So as you can see, this Express Stats, it means everything that's been set up by experts. It's only you, when you are creating your account, you see there are other things that have been created before. So you just import the necessary things and that's all. And that the other second aspect of how to create a new account is control the setup and fine-tune the company file by yourself. Maybe if you are the chart, most of for example, the chart account that you need in your company, etc. So you can create and fine-tune your files in this platform. And also the second aspect is creating a new company file based on an existing one. Maybe you have the other company or account under a QuickBook, then you want to create another company by using the other files. So it's very easy and important. And also the last one, convert data from Quicken or other accounting software into this QuickBook. So on our next video, I will highlight you how to create a company using the other ways. But on this video, I'll be teaching you how to create an account using an Express Stats. So here we go. You come here, you click on Express Stats. Sorry, this you see there is some data inside. So there is an account that has been created by regard to that. So you can delete it like this and put your company name or business name. Let me say on this Hallmark. Sorry, let me use caps lock. Say Hallmark Leadership. Hallmark Leadership Initiative. Like this. Industry. Is it which industry? Is it a profit-making organization, or is it a non-profit making company, or anything? Is it lodging service? Is it legal services? Is it local and landscaping? What type of industry is that? So here we can choose accounting or bookkeeping, advertising or public relation, agriculture, reaching or farming, or anything if you like. So this is all the kind of industries that is here. So let's check for manufacturing account, or let's just check manufacturing company. And you click here. If you come, you see the business type. What what kind of business is it a profit making organization, or is it a non-profit? Is it a single owners company? Like that's is it a sole proprietorship? Is it partnership? Is it a single member? Is it a multiple member? Is it a corporation and etc.? Let's choose this sole proprietorship. And if you come here, you see employer identification number. That's the number that you registered with your company. For example, in Nigeria here, we have Corporate Affairs Commission. When you register with with the Corporate Affairs Commission, they will issue you a TIN number. So let's, for example, put our on here. 55 like this. Okay, then you insert your business address or company address. Let's say number 2, Amadou Bello, Amadou Bello Way, along Jankarfe, number 2 Amadou Bello along Jankarfe Way. Just let's come here. Let's say just here. Then if you come city, let's say just states, you choose Plateau State. Country, is it in Nigeria or anything? Let's say we don't have Nigeria here. Let's choose okay, you can choose your country where you belong to. Let's say what do they call it, Malaysia. Then you put the phone number for that. Then you put the phone number for that your company. You put your zip number. Let's say plus 432, and also you put the phone number for that organization. Let's say like this. Then you come here, you can preview your settings, and also you can check this Intuit privacy and statement. Then you check and see before you even accept it. Here we go. You create your company, you will give it a little while. Okay, it says file name, then you put it Hallmark Leadership Initiative, then you say save. Okay, there is an related account to that. Let's give it 4 here like this. Save it. Here you go. Wait a while it's creating the company file. So wait a while, you see it appear here, Hallmark Leadership Initiative. So your company name will appear at the top. While we're waiting for the company to be created. %. Wow. So you see, you have already created your account. So on this page, On this page is a place where you add everything in that your company, where you add the people that you do business with them, and add the product and services you sell, add your bank account. For example, you add the people that you're doing business with them is like vendors, and also your employees, and also people that you're selling your product to them. That's vendors, customers, and your employee. That's the people that you're doing the business with. And add up your product and services. What kind of product and services are you selling, or what kind of services are you rendering? So in this area, you put it and you create your bank accounts, or you add up your bank account here. So for example, let's see where add people you do business with them. So you see it says import from Outlook, import from Yahoo, import from Gmail, then paste from Excel or enter manually. Let's try this. Enter manually. Click continue. It's coming up. And you see on this first, you will see add the people you do business with. You see customers, vendor, and employee. For example, if you click here for the customer, then here you write the name of the customer, the name of the company of that customer, the first name of him, the last name, email address, phone number, and alternative. But I want us to be looking at the major part of how you can create all these things. So this is not even necessary to use this way. I will be teaching you the other side of how you can do it and appropriately. Let's say cancel. Let's cancel this. Let's say start working. Now this is the page. You have already created your company. You did not add any vendor, you did not add any employee, you don't have any customer that you start your business with them. So if you can see, we'll be having here file, we're having edit, view, list, favorites, accountant, company, customer, vendors, employee, banking, report, vendors, and help. And here we'll be having shortcuts. We'll be having account, home, company, income tracker, bill tracker, calendar. We have snapshots. We have another shortcut where you can view your balances, run for a favorite report, and open window, etc., etc. So if you want to add a an if you want to add a customer or an employee or a vendor, you can come here and use all these toolbars that you're seeing. For example, if you want to add a vendor, you can come here. You see vendor center, bill tracker, enter bills, pay bills, etc., etc. So if you want to add a vendor here, you come here, click. So where you see you see here, you see all the vendors, active vendors, etc., etc. If you want to add up a new vendor, you come here, then you say a new vendor. Then this page will appear where you add the vendor name. If you have any balance, like if you have any opening balance with him, you see, you come here, company name, address, blah 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 blah. You put everything here. Your payment settings, how you make how you do your transaction with it. We have tax settings, account settings, etc., etc. So this is how you create your a company or a new company. If you want to add a customer, this is how where you come here and add up your new customer. Likewise, employee, you come here, employee center, you input everything here. So uh, I mainly concern on how to create a new company on this video, but in our next video I'll be teaching us how to manage file, edit, view, list, favorite, how to manage accountants, how to manage company, how to manage customers, vendors, employees, banking reports, and windows. For example, how to manage an account. That's chart of account. In our next videos, I'll teach you us all these things, how to add a chart of account. What we say when we say chart of account is an account where you run your businesses. You'll be having income account, expense account, revenue account, uh, customers account, bank account, etc., etc. But I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.